Brimestone Memorial Day ride. Turn. About sakes, yeah, turn this away. All right. I think you might need to go over some. Okay, right there. Now keep it this way a little bit.
Back down just a little bit. Keep coming. Whoa.
Yeah, now cut it.
Put it hard to the right. Go.
There you go.
Back, hang on a minute. Alright, back down a foot. Keep coming. Alright.
Sean, get his back tire up on that rock, and that way he can have a little momentum.
Back him up.
Yeah, back him up where his back tire's on top of that rock. Don't go off of it.
Hang on a minute. Come on.
Whoa!
Whoa. Go. Got it.
I think he's straddled now.
Hang on. Back up. Whoa. I got him. Go. Right there.
Now, come straight this way. There you go. Back up. Back up and get a little momentum. There you go.